everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Ford Falcon convertible. Great car, guys. Clean North Carolina body. We bought this car at a show down in Tennessee. The gentleman that we bought it from, he bought it from the gentleman that actually restored it. He's owned it a couple of years, but the gentleman that restored it was actually a retired, I think he said Ford engineer. Great car, finished in Rangoon red. It's got the black vinyl interior, the black convertible top. Gorgeous little car, very nicely done. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Magnums. It's got the 260 cubic inch engine, automatic. Just a pretty car. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Couple little things you can kind of pick at in the paint, but very nice car, guys. There's one little blip there in the paint, and like I say, there's kind of a couple that you can pick, but you know, nothing that I'd do any paint work on or anything like that. They've been in there. I think he said the car was actually restored about 8 years ago. It's got the black vinyl interior, factory dash. I've always liked the looks of these cars. I think it's a great body style. Fun little cars to drive. This thing's nice and straight down the sides. Love the Magnums on it. Sorry guys, you guys got in the water over here. That's just a little, I don't think there's any problems there. That's just we're kind of dodging raindrops, man. It rains and then the sun comes out. It's a little battle. Again, original 260, 260 cubic inch engine, manual steering, manual brakes. That's really the way they were. Very easy to drive though. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood. Fin still on the inner fender like it should be. This is a pretty car. A little blurb there in the paint. A-pillar chrome's nice. New door handles. New door pads, new carpet, new sill plates. Car was done nice. Factory bench seats. It's manual top, right, Jay? It's manual power. No, I'm sorry, it's power top, guys. I'm sorry. 61,700 miles on it. That is the original miles on the car. AM radio. It's got all brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a stock a rear end with a 350 gear. Factory jack with a little white wall bias ply spare, new fuel tank. Great car, man. Car's nice underneath. The tail lights on these cars. A little touch-up marks there. Seats have been all redone. It's just a great little car, guys. Great run of 260 V8. Been all rebuilt with a hardened valve seat so it runs on pump gas. Gauges work. Sorry, go ahead, Jay. Go ahead, Jay. Sorry. New top. It's got the plastic rear window. It's in great shape. Again, the top's new. Your blinker's still on, Jay.
The best for life. Every great
original AM radio works, blower motor works. Yep. No on the wipers? Check that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, or we got a brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a great little car right there. Pretty as can be. Love the color combo. Sits good. Have a great day, guys.